Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Volkswagen Routan SE. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 249,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.